Hey everybody, welcome back to Roadhouse. I'm just goofing around the kitchen today. We're going to do some hamburger steaks tonight. That's, it's just early afternoon. What I actually got, guys, was I got a couple of big Poblano peppers and a couple of Anaheims. And you know how you do your bacon wrapped jalapenos? Well, it looked like a big jalapeno to me, so I'm just saying. I'm gonna brown them some ground meat, and I'm gonna see how I can get these things stuffed and wrapped in bacon. We're gonna cook them off on the Weber out there. Show the Weber a little more love. So anyway, I will be using just regular old ground chuck, 80/20. I got some regular old Black Label, just hickory or hardwood smoked bacon there, and I got the softened cream cheese, which is been setting out and be a little more easy to work with. We're gonna mix all this with the ground meat, season that up, and then we're gonna stuff these peppers. So let me get this operation on the way, and I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, welcome back. We got our ground meat opened up, chunked in the skillet there. And today I will be using the fajita seasoning, just SPG. I am going to be using a little bit of the hickory grill there. Y'all see that? And then I'm going to put a little bit of the Big Mo Caisson beef rub in there too, y'all. We got all that happening. In other words, this ground meat gonna be jacked up, bro. Cause we're gonna get that bad boy going right there. See how our angle looks. Oh yeah. Now come on in a little bit right there. Hey now, hey now. Watch out now. Alright. And don't be scared to put no seasoning in the ground meat, because that's a couple of pounds worth, So we got that. Oh yeah, come on, sizzle. Tell me something. Beef rub. A little hickory grill. Getting happy, y'all. Get this brown down, get it drained off, gang, and we'll be back in a little bit. Alright, y'all, welcome back. Ground meat's done. We got our cream cheese put in there, and a couple pounds of ground meat, like 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, 1 whole 8-ounce bag of sharp cheddar shredded. Yum. And our peppers, guys, what I decided to do was just take and cut around like this around and make a little hatch. That way I still got a little bit connected there. That way our stuff won't fall out. Same thing with the Anaheims there, so let's put some junk in here. See if we can get some of this junk stuffed in here. And we'll wrap them bad boys in some bacon there. Oh yeah, baby. Get on in there. Look at that. See if y'all can see that okay. How you say? Fill her up, babe. Push it all the way back in there. I did wash these off and everything, guys. So, alright, we're gonna roll with them like that, and we'll. Oh, look at that, boy. Close her up. Make sure it's all good and tight and stuff. Alright, let me get these other peppers done, gang, and we'll be back in just a minute. Alright, y'all. We got our peppers stuffed. Come out pretty good, man. That's the Anaheims. Poblanos. Ain't them pretties. Some big peppers, yeah. Alright. Waiting on the Weber to get up to temp. We're gonna go in direct. I'll meet y'all outside when it's ready. Alright, y'all welcome back. Y'all forgot, y'all thought I was gonna forget to put bacon on them, huh? Not. I wouldn't do that to y'all. Anyway, here we go. Got them all wrapped up. Ain't them things pretty, y'all? Check it out. Check it out. And we're fixing to go outside and put them bad boys on the Weber, and we're gonna smoke them. So I'll meet y'all outside. All right, we back. Grill's hot. Got our peppers on there, our Poblanos and our Anaheims. Stuff with that goodness. Hold it loose just a second. Put us some wood chips in there. Some more hickory wood chips, y'all. There you go, baby. Now we're smoking. Alright, y'all. We'll put the lid on this bad boy and let it roll for a little while. We'll check back in a little bit. Oh man. About 15 minutes or so, y'all. Bacon's crisped up pretty good. Tell y'all what, let's turn one of these. Let's see how that bacon looks on the bottom. Oh yeah, it'll be alright. Alright. That one stuck a little bit. Nice and juicy. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. I'm not going to flip them all the way over because our stuff will come out. Alright. Alright, y'all, looking good in the neighborhood. We'll give them a little bit more. Make sure that bacon's cooked all the way, and we'll be back. Alright, about 20 minutes in, 25, something like that. Oh yeah, we looking good, y'all. Smelling good. Oh yeah. A little stuffing popping out there. Bacon's nice and crispy. Alright, let's pull these off and get them inside, y'all. Alright, we got them inside, y'all. And boy, it looks good. They smell good. We're going to let them rest up just for a few minutes, and then we're going to slice them up, and me and Terry are going to give them a little taste test and see what's happening there. Y'all hear that sizzling in the background. We're doing some homemade hamburger steaks and homemade mashed potatoes and gravy. And I've already got a couple of videos on that, so y'all go check out my older stuff, man. Back to the peppers. Yeah. So we'll be ready to check these out in just a minute. Alright, y'all, welcome back. I have one Poblano and one Anaheim pepper. We are going to do the deal. Boy, I'll tell you what, that looks nice. Y'all, it smells good. I'm going to cut this in here and get a little bacon on it. Oh, heck yeah. Look at that. Nice, huh? How you like that? That's the Poblano, y'all. Let's cut the end of this Anaheim off. Oh, man. I'm curious to see what the... these are supposed to be a little milder than jalapeno. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and cut a little piece of this. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm just going to have a bite. Cheers, y'all. This is the Anaheim. We'll see how it is. That's tasty. No heat at all, y'all. A little bite.
In a while.
In a while?
Yeah.
I'm going to finish that now. That's pretty good, y'all. Like a big old bacon wrapped jalapeno. Alright, now. I got good flavor, but no heat on that. None. Surprisingly not. Alright. Poblano. Let me see if I can trim that one down, y'all, because that's a big bite. I don't want to spoil my dinner because, well, that's pretty. All right. Cheers, everybody. Oh, excuse me. Now, I got some good heat on that one. Nothing overpowering. Boy, that's just right, I tell you. But you know, some peppers are inconsistent like jalapenos, you know. But, no, I'm not sweating because of the pepper. It's hot in here. Anyway, y'all, that's really good, man. I really... Okay, so on this particular Anaheim pepper, I didn't get any heat, good flavor. Of course, they, you know, prepare it the same way. The Poblano, to me, just the right amount of heat, y'all. I mean, just a little heat on the backside is really good with that bacon and stuff. So we're gonna, man, I'll do those again. I like that better than jalapenos, you know. And I love jalapenos, y'all. But check that out, man. Can you see that? That is really, really good. I'm gonna finish off that little piece of the Anaheim, just because it was hollering at me. Really nice, y'all. All right. Well, me personally, I think I like jalapenos anytime. The Poblanos, I like better than the Anaheims. Just a little bit better, a little bit more heat. But anyway, hey, we're gonna get the other dinner going here, guys. Like I said, I got 2 other videos of homemade hamburger steaks and stuff. Today's video was about the peppers, just, you know, something different. Anyway, love y'all, appreciate y'all watching, and all my subs, appreciate y'all. We'll see y'all next weekend. Bye bye.